Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft sign-in problem. So first of all, if you have been using Chrome, the easiest fix you could try is using Brave or maybe Microsoft Edge. The point here is seeing if changing the browser will fix the problem. Now, if the changing browser is not working, then simply head over to your favorite browser, type in Microsoft Sign In, then you will see Microsoft Sign In. Go ahead and click onto this link. As you do that, type in your email, phone number, whatever you would like, and select Next. Now, if you cannot remember email or phone number, then you can also select Can't access your account. Now, you will see which type of account do you need help with. Select if it was personal account, which was created by you, or maybe a work or school account. And likewise, it says we can help you reset your password and security info. First of all, you will be required to enter the email address first, then select Next. Now, as you do that, it will ask you to verify your identity, this being your email address. They will send you a code. Select Get Code. Now, simply type in the code which was originally sent to your email address, then select Next. And as you do that, follow the on-screen prompt, then you will be able to fix your sign-in problem. After you fix the sign-in problem, I highly recommend you to change your password. And once you do so, you're good to go. Thank you for watching.